Are you feeling tight and uncomfortable after your liposuction? You're not alone, and relief is closer than you think. Welcome to your Go Guide for post-lipo recovery. In just a moment, I'll show you 5 simple yet effective exercises to ease tightness, enhance your lymphatic flow, and accelerate your recovery process. Let's get started. Move your shoulder in a circular pattern as shown, so that you're moving in an up, back, and down direction. Perform small circles if needed for comfort, 10 times. Now you're going to move your shoulders in a circular pattern in an up, forward, and down direction, 10 times. Raise your arm over your head and bend your body towards the opposite side for a stretch. Hold for about 3 to 5 seconds and return to a starting position, and repeat on the opposite side. Repeat this movement 10 times. Extend your arms forward as shown, then rotate your upper body from side to side. If needed, you can cross your arms over your chest to relieve discomfort. Repeat this movement 10 times. Lie on your back with your knees bent and gently rotate your knees from side to side. Repeat the movement 10 times. For a better stretch, hold the knee to the side for about 10 to 20 seconds or as tolerated, and repeat the movement 5 to 10 times. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Thank you.